Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you a website called BlackHatWorld.com. And I'm going to give you like a brief explanation of what this site is, why it's good, why you should use it, and how you can use it to like do some cool stuff online that, yeah, okay, it's called BlackHatWorld, and like there is some stuff on here that's like, I don't want to say it's illegal, but it's against like certain policies of certain websites. However, it's not like only illegal stuff here, or I guess, is that illegal if you violate policies of Google or something? I don't know. But anyway, you have a lot of other really cool stuff on here. It's a great resource to learn, and you should definitely check it out and use it and all that. Now, before we get into that, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I try to put out videos as often as I can. Lately, it's been every day. Also, if you are into fitness at all, go check out my fitness channel. Links in the description. Just click on any of those links and it will automatically subscribe you. Cool? Also, if you want, go support me on Patreon so I can make videos full time. It's mainly more for my like fitness channel, but you can go over there and check that out in case that's interesting to you. Cool. So this is BlackHatWorld.com. Now, you have a lot of like really cool stuff on here. So this is like an old school forum where people will give away and sell and basically like talk about internet marketing and how to make money online. And this forum obviously is called Black Hat World. So like this, you do have some strategies on here that are a little bit like black hat basically, as opposed to white hat, which is like perfectly legit and by the book. So we won't get too much into that right now. However, I'm going to show you why I started using this site. So the really, like what I like here is the marketplace section. Now, what I used to do is I would go, because I used to be really into growing Instagram pages. That was like my bread and butter. That's how I got my start in online marketing. And that is what essentially I would do in the beginning to kind of get my feet wet with this whole like online marketing thing. So what I would do is I would come over here and I would just kind of like look at what services I could buy. And what I really liked over here is that you can buy Instagram accounts with real followers. Okay, now the way these accounts are grown is with a method called follow unfollow, which essentially is like, it's kind of what it sounds like. You follow a bunch of people and then they follow you back, and then you know, you unfollow them and follow other people, right? So like it's very effective. It's a crude method. But the idea, like, let's take a look at these. This is a travel niche, 8,000 followers, $100. Okay, so like to give you an idea, I think to normal people, even people who have a business, like 8,000 followers, this is like gigantic, right? This is huge. But like to the people on this site and like essentially in like online marketing circles, 8,000 followers is not a lot, right? Like it's easy to grow these pages. It's not hard. But where the real like magic comes in is like, what are you going to do to make money from them? Okay, so like 8,000 followers, $100. Engagement rate is 13.41%. That's really good. Generally, like the bigger the account gets, the lower the engagement rate is. That's just like, it's just the name of the game. Okay, now let's take a look. I think this link should bring us to like a spreadsheet. No, it's just back to this link again. Okay, so that's just his signature. And then this guy, this is like a moderator. He like approves the threads, all right? So the cool thing about this site is that like you have a like in order to post in the marketplace, you have to have like a moderator approve your post. And you have to have a certain number of posts and stuff like that. Just kind of like makes it so that it's possible to like verify that these accounts are legit. Now in some of the threads, they'll actually show the accounts, they'll link to them, but because it's against Instagram's policies to sell accounts, it's kind of like on an as needed basis. And yeah, it's against their policies, but like, you know, are they really going to go after like this guy selling his like 8,000 follower account? Probably not. Let's see here. Let's check this one. Instagram accounts. What do we got here? Instagram, $2 an account. Instagram growth services. So like some of these, like, so this is just selling an aged account. right? Now, like, why would you need to buy an aged account? Because let's say you start an Instagram account, and let's say you're running like a bot that like grows the account automatically. If Instagram sees that you just like started an account yesterday and you start like botting all of this, like all of these actions, like you're following 500 people a day and you're liking 500 pictures, and you just started the account, you're likely to get flagged, right? But if the account is 3 years old, then that's less likely to happen, okay? Now this doesn't actually have accounts for sale. I mean, like actual accounts. I'm trying to find another page with like, with or without followers. Let's see here. Aged YouTube accounts might be interesting. Verification service, this might be interesting. All right, what is this? PVA zone, okay, no. Yeah, so it doesn't actually show it on there. Let's see if we can find any. Here we go. Selling Instagram accounts with real followers, various niches, 30 plus accounts. All right, what does this say? Pets, 10,000. So it's essentially like $10 per 1,000 followers, which is pretty damn good. And what's the biggest account on here? 12,000 for 110 bucks. So if you have like, I mean, think about it. Let's say you have a website that sells women's clothes, right? Women's clothes generally sell pretty well because women love to shop online and they are not really good with money, no offense, ladies. So if you have an account that's only dresses, then women are likely to follow that. And then if you have a link to a store that's like onlydresses.com, then they're likely to make a purchase on there, or I guess at least it's possible, right? And then essentially you're getting all of this free traffic from all of these people who are qualified and interested, right? So like, I don't know, I think it's a pretty cool site, and obviously like you see all of this stuff that's available here. You have a ton of options. It's a really good idea to kind of like dig in here and see kind of like what services you might be able to use for your business, because most business owners don't have like any idea that this site even exists or really even how to navigate it. So if you do and you are, then that's just another advantage that you can have over your competition. Cool, so if that video was helpful for you guys, subscribe to my channel, put out lots of videos like this, and yeah, go check out my fitness channel, links in the description. You click any of those links down there, you'll be automatically subscribed, and that's it. Peace.